In this video, I will show you how to highlight dates greater than a specific date in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a list of transactions containing item name, date and amount in these columns. Now I want to highlight the transaction dates greater than 1st January 2025 in light yellow color. To do that, I will use the Excel date function. The date function returns a date based on the specified year, month and day values. For example, this date formula will return the date 1st January 2025 while this date formula will return the date 31st December 2025. Once I create the date 1st January 2025 using the date function, I will compare it with the transaction date to check if it is after the date 1st January 2025 or not. Let's create a formatting rule based on the formula. Select the range of the cells containing transaction dates. Now go to the Home tab, click the conditional formatting option and then select the new rule menu item. Select the use a formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will enter this formula that creates the date 1st January 2025 and then compare it with the transaction date and check if it is after 1st January 2025. I will use the first cell in the range, cell D3, and compare it with the date using the greater than sign. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background to yellow, select the Fill tab from the top. I am going to choose the light yellow color as the background. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the date is greater than the specified date. Click the OK button to close the conditional formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the date cells containing the date after 1st January 2025 are highlighted with the light yellow color. We can also refer to a cell value containing the date instead of the hard coding the date directly into the formula. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have the date stored in the F3 cell. I will slightly change the formula to check if the current date value is greater than the date value stored in the F3 cell. I will also make the F3 cell reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. As you can see, all the dates greater than the date value stored in the F3 cell are now highlighted with yellow color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means that if you modify any value, the format will be changed automatically. For example, if we change any cell value to make it after the specified date, the selected format will be applied automatically. Similarly, if we make any formatted cell value less than the specified date, the yellow background color will be removed like this. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.